John Deere PowerTech 12.5 liter, 9,000 90/20 series tractors, and plenty of construction pieces. On the cylinder head, back of the engine, so setting in the seat of the tractor, the turbo is located on the right hand side. So to identify the marked number on the head, we have to be able to get behind the turbo. So whether that's in the tractor or out of the tractor, that's the number one easiest way to make sure that we get you the right head. There's a single rail, dual rail, and the marked numbers will tell us. So I'm trying to show you how to get to it so that you know, and internally we know. Now, the second thing is the way we sell this head. So Deere's discontinued the head. You can't buy it anymore. So we've got some engines lined up here. They were going to the rebuilder, but we're gonna hold them up a little bit for this reason. So the head's discontinued. What happens most of the time is the engine will get hot or something happens there and it spins the cam bearings in the head. Now this engine here, you can see it's been apart, but there's where the camshaft is. So what we sell, if the cam goes bad, most of the time it drops this gear or this gear and it all falls down and a whole shit show ensues. Okay? So when we've built the engines here in our shop, when you need a head, most of the time you need the cam. So if you need a cam, then you need the cam gear, and then which means you need the idler gear. So the way we're selling this kit, if you will, is it's a cylinder head, camshaft and cam gear, and idler gear. You also get the overhead, not this particular one because it's weathered, but these are also bad about actually a tech. He'll over tighten those bolts and then he'll snap it off in the head. So we're providing all that because a lot of times that's what you need. I understand that not all the time you need that, but that's how we're going to offer the head. You can't buy it new. So this is us doing you a favor to try to keep your tractor running. So right hand side behind the turbo, marked number will help us get you the right head fixed up for your tractor or your engine application. Thanks for watching.